Hey Drax, you want to go down again?
Go down again?
Go down again so I can record it.
Okay. Let's go again. Now be careful, because you'll hit Grady.
That looks so little.
Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Sit.
Go down fast.
Woo!
Yeah!
Oh, you stuck yourself.
Oh, your shoes got stuck, huh?
I think he spreads his legs a little bit.
Yeah, I think he's got it figured out because a couple times
Hey.
he went right on his butt. And so now I think
Hey.
he's figured out that if he uses his shoes or...
Another time? Let's go. Okay.
Hey. Hey.
Sit.
You gonna catch me?
Now that's less than a quarter of an inch thick, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's an iPod.
Yep. Yep.
No. You'll fall and hurt yourself. Okay, sit.
Go down fast.
Ready? Go. Yay!
Good job.